Rounding off. We are always going to have to apply some form of rounding off during a test, an exam, or during our classwork. Sometimes we are given an instruction to round off to a specific decimal place. Other times we need to be aware of where we are applying it. Let us have a look at the following example. Put into your calculator 2 divided by 3. Press equals. We want this to be a decimal, so I press my SD button. What you will notice is we come up and we get a long answer. I give you the instruction and I say to you, round off this to 2 decimal places. Let us do the following. Shift and setup. We are going to look at option number 6 now, where it says to me fix. Because to fix something is to make it right or correct to. Choose number 6. It asks us now, fix 0 to 9. That is asking you how many decimal places do you want your answer rounded off to. I want 2 decimal places, so therefore I'm going to select option number 2. It comes up and it goes back into our fraction. We want a decimal, so SD, and there you will notice that we have got an answer that is rounded off to 2 decimal places for us. What you will also notice though is that now on the screen of the calculator we have got the word fix. Because we have changed the setup of the calculator, we need to tell this to go back to normal once we have finished rounding off. The reason we need to go back to normal is that from now on, all our answers are going to be rounded off to 2 decimal places if we leave fix on the calculator screen. We know that we don't always want every answer rounded off to 2 decimal places, so let's go back to normal. Shift, setup, option number 8, normal, and remember when we are doing maths or maths literacy, option number 2. You will now notice fix has gone off the screen of the calculator. If we press our SD, we are now back to normal.